Oh, shoot, wait. Luffy just out here polluting? What the hell, Luffy? Bro, that wasn't smart. Oh my god, is that like acid rain? How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to another episode. This time, episode 93 of One Piece. Oh, no way he's eating his flip-flop. This is dire. Damn! He's finding the nearest buffet. Right. Chopper's so freaking adorable until he turns into a giant. I can't use the M word. Even though he can't hear me, I'm not going to use the M word when it comes to Chopper. Ooh. Oh, true, yeah. Oh. Oh, shoot. Wait. Okay, yeah, that is Mr. 3's, because Mr. 2's look different. Wait, what are they doing right now? Alright. They're totally standing out. Yeah, I mean, things are still more or less... look more or less normal, I guess. People selling stuff at the market. People buying stuff at the market. Yeah, I thought it was 300. I don't know how you would make Zoro pay you though, you know what I mean? Nami ain't built for that fighting. I mean, she can fight, but she ain't gonna do nothing with that stick against Zoro. Smart? Is that true? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, he was like doing hunting stuff. Killing dinosaurs with his feet and stuff. Pretty crazy. Yeah, bro, there's a giant market with a bunch of food. Where are you? Okay, dude. This dude. I feel like Mr. 3 might be hiding out there or something. Oh, of course he recognizes that. Oh, shoot. Oh, he does, though. Oh, my God, bro. Hey. Ah, he pantsed him. Hey, true. He always gets sidetracked. He can handle his own. Damn. Oh, no, 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 no. Chill out. What the hell? Damn. Oh, shoot. It's a wrap. Ooh. Very nice. Oh, wait. Got him. Like flour or something? Yeah, I doubt it. Oh, shoot, wait. Luffy just out here polluting? What the hell, Luffy? Bro, that wasn't smart. Oh my god, is that like acid rain? Oh, shoot, you don't want the smoke, sir. Got him. True. Something to do with dancing, though, eh? What's your big ambition? Ah. Wait, what the hell is it then? Yeah, wait a second. You shouldn't have said that. Bro, you ain't touching my man. Why's she stuck in the face? Oh, don't bring the camels into it. Damn, you tired, bro. Give him a haystack real quick. Or whatever the hell they sleep on. Aw, come on. Wait. Is this a plant of some sort, or did he, like, have a heat stroke? Who's the fellow with the sunglasses? He's in the shade. Why does he even have sunglasses on? How are his glasses glowing? Okay, another rose tinted. Got a saddle on him and a blanket over the Oh, well, they're just hiding. Okay. Good question. Hey, animals gotta help each other out. Am I right? What the hell? Hey, that's a cool ass camel. Well, that makes sense based on what we know. Yes. What in the hell, Luffy? This dude's his hand to wrist ratio is ridiculous. Did y'all see that? Yeah, he's a newcomer. Yeah, it kind of looks like it might not rain very much. Makes sense. That makes sense. True. Yeah. He's got bigger fish to fry. Wait. You shouldn't have said that, bro. Yeah, exactly. Yuba? Okay. Let's do it. Yeah, I think we were planning to anyway. I know, right? Alright, next stop, Yuba. Let's get it. Oh yeah, Luffy. The captain of the squad. Gonna need him. Alright, so in that episode, we focused on a few different little side missions, if you will. A couple of adventures that, you know, a few of the different members of the squad went on. One of them was Chopper. He was with Sanji doing something. I honestly forgot what he was even doing with Sanji. But anyway, this dude ended up almost having a heat stroke. Fell asleep in the back of a wagon. And this wagon was smuggling guns, dude. And obviously now he's in a completely different place. So I don't know exactly how we're going to be able to meet up with him again. Obviously we have to figure that situation out. Luffy, as soon as he got off the ship, he just went literally in one direction for I don't even know how long. Ended up in the middle of the desert. Luckily found this one little house that had this like green powder stuff. It looked real nasty. Of course Luffy tried to eat it. Didn't like what he tasted. And then burned it. It created like a bunch of rain, which was really cool, obviously. But then we learned that that's like banned by the government. So that was kind of a cool little side thing. And then it was funny when he was like, dude, I can't even turn you in anyway. I'm a pirate. Like, they're just going to arrest me too. So that was kind of funny that he kind of got off on him and took lunch with him. But it's not like, hey, he didn't pull a Dr. Korea and ask for, like, you know, his house or something. You know what I mean? The dude wanted a sandwich. You know what I mean? So that's fair play there. And then there at the end, obviously, we had Miss Wednesday finally just straight up ask the squad if she can, you know, if we can help her with whatever she wants to do in Yuba. I'm not exactly even sure. Obviously, she's trying to save her nation in one way or another. But we're going to get to Yuba. I think that's what it was called. Get to Yuba and find out what we need to do from there. All I'm hoping for is some sick fight scenes. If we can get Zoro involved, maybe Usopp make a little cameo here and there. You know what I'm saying? And what I really want to see is Chopper to go crazy. So if I can get that, I'll be happy. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you're interested in watching all the episodes that we have here on the channel, but completely full length, be on the lookout for the Patreon. That'll have all that stuff coming up very soon. If you're new to my channel and want to see more, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and also ring the bell to get notifications on all my new videos as soon as they go out on the channel. If you ended up liking the episode, please hit it with a thumbs up. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and getting all my videos pushed out to more people. And also, if you made it all the way until the end of the episode, go ahead and comment the key phrase, "What a cool camel," because that's exactly what that camel was in that episode. I hope I included it in the YouTube version because, listen, dude, I don't know if it was just animal code. I don't know if he just wanted to help a fellow animal out, but this dude had no reason other than that to help my boy Chopper out. And he ended up getting him out of a really tough situation where he was in the back of a wagon where they were smuggling guns, and he had a fake dead. You know, they thought he was like dead meat. Then, you know, they left. And obviously in that time interval, this camel decided to make it his mission to get him the hell out of there, which I obviously have a lot of respect for, and I'm very thankful for it because Chopper is a G and we need him back on the squad. So yeah, if you made it all the way until the end of the episode, go ahead and comment that key phrase, "What a cool camel." And that's how I'll know you made it all the way until the end. If you're interested in watching another episode from the channel, I will leave one right here. And I will see you all on the next one.